Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see the installation guide of IEC 104 server simulator. Okay, so here on my desktop you can see IEC 104 server simulator. So we can open this folder and here is the installation file to install the IEC 104 server simulator. So I'm going to double click here to start installing it. Okay, and we will press next here, and then after we will accept on the agreement, and then again we will press next, and here we have to choose the installation directory. So I'm going to install this software in my D drive. I'm going to press next here. Again we will press next, and if you want a desktop shortcut and other shortcut, then you have to tick these check boxes. Otherwise you can uncheck this and you can press next. I'm going to leave these things as it is, and I'm going to press next here, and then we will press install to start installing the IEC 104 server simulator. Okay, and here you can see IEC 104 server simulator is installed in my system. If you want to launch it, then you have to leave this setting as it is. Otherwise uncheck this and just press finish. Okay, so here you can see server IEC 104 simulator. So this is how you have to install IEC 104 server simulator in the Windows machine. Now in the next video we will see IEC 104 client simulator installation in the Windows machine, and in the future videos we will see how this simulator is going to be work. Okay, and how you can use it to connect with SCADA system, CAP server and other industrial IoT platforms. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.